In this video, I will show you how to sync up for the Battlefield beta. So first, we will need to go to this website. You will be able to find the link in the description. And now here we need to click on the sync up button. First, it will ask you for an EA account. If you don't have one, you can also create one. And now here, as you can see, we are now in the EA playtesting. And now the only playtest available is for the Battlefield beta. So we just need to click here. And now as you can see here, we are already for the beta. So we can close already the window, or we can also do a small survey. So this will increase our chances to being selected. So now what we have left is just wait for an email. So that means if you get an email, that means you're in the beta. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If you like the video, leave a like and subscribe. See you next time.